There is no good place or bad place or good time or bad time for jnani to leave the body.
Sadaatmani Brahmani Purnamatvajānandamayātmana Sada Ishtatah Munehe Tvammautavitpinda vijarjanāya Desha-kālāni ucita pratīksha na.
For a jnani to leave the body means at the time of death, which means a good place or a bad place, good time, bad time, none of these are applicable. For a jnani, these do count. Mode of death does count for a ajnani. Holy places, and then the auspicious time, etc. All these are applicable for the ajnani while dying, but not for jnani. Why? He is the one. Sada, who is this person? Sada, always. Atmani, Brahmani. One who always abides in Atma, that is Brahma Swarupa, Brahmani. How he abides? Purna Advayanandamayatmana. Maya here is Prachurya. His mind is exactly like Purna Swarupa Brahma, which is Advaya Ananda. So Advaya Atmana. Sada Tishtataha Munehi. What is Jnani? Who always abides in the Paramananda Swarupa, that is one soul Swarupa. For such a person, he says, Tvat Mamsa Vit Pinda Visarjanaya. Visarjanaya, to cast off. Ganapati Visarjanaya. Ganapati Visarjana. What is Ganapati Visarjana? You are sending him back to his abode. So why? You had called him for offering puja, not for just for nothing, to get something from him. So now, Yantu Deva Gana Sarve Puja Madaya Partivin Ishtakama Prasiddhyartham Punaragamanaya. Yantu Deva Gana Sarve, all Devas, now please go to your abode. Pujam Adaya Parthivin. Parthivin means on this Bhuloka, whatever puja we have offered, having accepted, now you please go to here, you can return your abode as well. Why you are called here? Ishtakama Prasiddhyartham, for fulfillment of our desires. And also next year, Punaragama. Next year also you should. So, Ganpati Bappa Moria, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर्या. So, Punaragamanaya, or to return also. Already return ticket is booked. He will say, no, you cannot go treat me properly. So, I really wordedly, the way they are celebrating the Ganesh Puja, etc. and all that, he only can tolerate. So others can't tolerate. Anything and everything goes in the name of all loudspeaker, this, that, all functions, etc. So I am talking of this public purpose, not at home, that is different thing, at public purpose. Because he is God, that's why he can tolerate all these things. So that is fine. So that's why here, now, Visarjana, to cast off this body, which body? The Jnani's body, that is described as, which is a bundle of fat, skin, masa, flesh, with feces, pinda, a ball of all this body, Visarjanaya, to cast off this body, it says, Desha Kaladi Uchita Pratikshana. There is no question of waiting for appropriate time, suitable place, like Ganges Bank or Varanasi or such things, etc., or such as this auspicious time, etc. Uchita Pratikshana. There is no such waiting. Why it is so? The reason is given. At the time of knowledge itself is liberated, and this casting of the body has nothing to do with its liberation.
Dehasya moksho no mokshaha Nadandasya pamandalo Avidyarudaya granthi Moksho yatastataha मोक्षः ततः देहस्य मोक्षः न उ मोक्षः न दंडस्य कमंडलोः.
This is moksha. This is liberation. What is liberation? It says, yataha, yasmat, because of this reason, this is what is moksha. What is that? Avidya, hridaya, granthi, moksha. Freedom from hridaya granthi caused by avidya. What is hridaya granthi? Literally, hridaya granthi means knot of the heart. There is no physical knot. Okay, otherwise you will have to go to a surgeon. So there is no such physical knot there, etc. Knots of the heart means what? So the mutual Atma, Anatma, Adhyasa. Body, mind, intellect, Ahankara, which are not Atma, being taken as I, Atma, and other things, which are those Atma, taken as what? Something different from Atma, Anatma, mutual Tadatmya, mutual superimposition, that is Hridaya Granthi, Adhyasa. What is the word Adhyasa? How did it come? Avidya, because of ignorance of oneself. So, destruction of avidya, ignorance of oneself, and consequent identification with the embodiment, which is called as Hridaya Granthi. Freedom from that, moksha, that is moksha, liberation. And not all this. Dehasya moksha, no moksha. Just ending the body, physical body, is not the moksha. Dandasya kamandaloho moksha, no moksha. Giving up danda staff. The sannyasi is supposed to carry a staff. But in certain order, that staff also is Saraswati order. That staff also is what? Broken, and so Kamandalo also is given up. So, merely the external giving up is not the moksha. Ignorance and consequent adhyasa should be terminated. That is moksha. And once that is gained, afterwards, wherever the body may fall, say, Kasham va shapachasya grihe. I think we are going to take Shruti Sara Samudharana. There one verse is going to come. Let him cast off the body in Kashi or a shapachasya grihe, in the house of a dog eater. A dog eater is considered as the most lowly of the lowly person. You know why? Dog is a very faithful animal, and this fellow will tend that, and to kill it will call and it will come faithfully and he will kill and it is a shapachaha. So that's what shwa means dog, pachaha means cook, eat. So that's why I say, even he may give up his body in the house of a chandala, it is immaterial, because he is already liberated at the time of the adhyasa being terminated. For which an illustration is given, that of the leaves of a tree. Wherever the leaves of the tree may fall, at a holy place or a dirty place, what the tree has to do with that? Tree is totally unconcerned where the leaves fall. So also, he is Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, has nothing to do where the body falls. This is the illustration, same thing is now explained.
Shivakshetre vichasvare Paranam patati chetena Karokim nusubhasubham. Anvaya Paranam Kulyayam Atha Nadyam Shivakshetre चत्वरे अपि वा पतति
पतति
चेत् तेन तरोः किं तु शुभाशुभम्?
Paranam, the leaf of a tree. You see, it may fall where? Kulyayam, in a stream of water. Or Nadyam, in a river. Or say Shiva Kshetre. In a Shiva Kshetra like Varanasi, etc. means a holy place known for Lord Shiva. So where huge temples etc. are there, Shiva is invoked, so that's such a place. So Shiva Kshetra or Chatvare. Chatvara is crossroads. Maybe it may fall on the crossroads. Say Chatvare Apiva. Anywhere if it falls, it says Patatike. If it is fall, by that fall of the leaf at any of these places, taroho kindu shubha shubham. What gain or loss is there for the tree? Shubha, ashubha, auspicious, inauspicious means labha, hani, gain or loss. There is no gain or no loss as far as the tree is concerned. So like that, see, here, in the case of Jnani, wherever the body may fall, may be cast off, so he is always abiding in his Swarupa. There is no deviation from his Swarupa. Continue.
Patrasya pushpasya palasya nashavaru देहेन्द्रिय प्राणधियां विनाशः नैवात्मनः स्वस्य सदात्मकस्य आनन्दाकृतेर्भक्षवदस्ति चैषः अन्वयः पत्रस्य पुष्पस्य फलस्य नाशवत् देहेन्द्रिय प्राणधियां विनाशः सदात्मकस्य आनन्दाकृतेः स्वस्य आत्मनः न एव एषः च वृक्षवत् अस्ति.
Again the illustration of tree continues. Tree has got leaves, flowers, fruits, all this. Now wherever they may perish, tree has nothing to do with it. So that was it. Patrasya means parnasya, of the leaf. Nasha, like the destruction of a leaf, or pushpasya, flower, destruction of flower. Phalasya, or destruction of the phala, fruit. The nasha, dehendriya pranadhiyam vinasha means just as the destruction of leaf, flower and fruit has nothing to do with tree, so also in the case of a jnani, vinashaha, destruction of deha, body, indriya, senses, prana, vital air, dhi, buddhi, antakarana, of all these vinashaha, says vinashaha, sadatmakasya आनंदाकृतेः स्वस्य आत्मनः न एव. This nasha has nothing to do with the atma. What type of atma? Sadatmakasya. So sada atma sarupasya. And what is that sarupa? Anandakrutehe. One is Swarupa is nothing but Paramananda Swarupa. Anandakrute. Swasya. I, the true I, oneself only, not something else. Swasya. Atmanaha Naiva. The destruction of this embodiment doesn't belong to Atma at all. Why? Eshaha. Eshaha means this Atma, it says, is like what? Eshahasya vrukshavad-asti. Like tree, just that tree doesn't have, so what? The loss or gain on account of destruction of the leaves, etc. anywhere. So, Jnani has nothing to do with continuing.
Prajnana ityatma lakshanam satya sujakam anudya upadikasyaiva kathayanti vinashanam. प्रज्ञानघनः इति आत्मलक्षणं सत्यसूचकम् अनूद्य औपाधिकस्य एव विनाशनं कथयन्ति.
This is Atma Lakshana. Shruti describes this Atma Swarup. What is that? Prajnana Ghana. Prajnana, knowledge principle. Ghana means that knowledge principle and knowledge principle alone, there is nothing other than that. Ghana means dense. Dense means there is nothing other than that. So therefore, one who is Prajnana Ghanaha iti Atma Lakshanam Satya Suchakam. This characteristic or the nature of Atma described by Shruti, that Atma is nothing but knowledge principle, not the knowledge of a given thing. The very principle because of which you know what you know and you know what you don't know. So just as light principle illumines all the things as well. So even the absence of a something also is illuminated. So that is the case. So that is here it says Atma Satya Suchakam. It suggests the truth, means it reveals the truth. Anudya. So says Shruti, Anudya means having reiterated, having said that this is the Atma Swarupa. Then Shruti says, do you know destruction for the Nasha is for whom? Upadhi. Not for Atma, but Upadhi. So that will say, Upadhikasya vinashanam kathayanti. Destruction of Upadhi only, the Shruti declares Atma is indestructible. The one who makes you aware of destruction is what? Atma. So that one who makes you aware of it. For example, there are nihilists, shunyavadi. Atma is nothing. Are you aware that Atma is nothing? Yes. That principle which makes you aware that Atma is nothing is Atma. Come on, challenge, you negate that. No, I negate that. You know why? Saturday evening I had gone to Juhu Beach. And it was just, nobody was there, I was there, and I negated Atma. Achha. Do you know that you negated? Yes. The one who knows is Atma. How can you say it is not there? You only are confirming that it is not there. So that the one who knows that it is not there is Atma and not what you have negated. See, possibly the Shunyavada has come now. Shunya means empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Shunya means empty. So, empty of what? Prapancha. Prapancha is Shunya. Otherwise, Maitrayani Upanishad has used the word Shunya for Atma. And Maitrayani Upanishad doesn't speak of Shunyavada. So therefore, that is that word Shunya they must have mistaken. But lot of philosophy is there. My God. Especially who is that? Nagarjuna. Great famous Buddhist, Nagarjuna. He is the, that means exponent of Shunyavada. So that is that. So, but I think the fundamental thing got missed. So that is it. Empty. Empty means what? Nothing is there. Nothing of what? Creation. So only Advaya Sarupa, Akhanda Ananda Sarupa, maybe whatever it may be. But Shunya, one who is aware of Shunya is the Atma, you cannot get it. Say, Vinashanam, Tasya, Aupadikasya eva Vinashanam Kathayanti. Shruti declares that Upadhi only gets destroyed and not the Atma. Where it is said, which Shruti says that the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad is quoted.
Avinashi va are ayam Atmeti Shrutirātmana Tatravidya vinashitvam Vinashatsu vikarishu Anvaya Are ayam avinashi va Are ayam atma Are ayam atma avinashi
Why?
Iti
Why Are has become Va Are?
Vai iti Shruti vikarishu vinashatsu atmanah avinashitvam prabhaviti.
This is statement of Yajnavalkya to his dear wife Maitreyi. That's why address is Are, O Maitreyi. Really, Are is not used for respectable person. One who is very dear, close only Are, or ordinary people. Are, come. Come here. There are territorial districts also. Somebody told me, Karnataka or certain area, say A. You call A. So one gentleman had gone to the vegetable market and asked that lady, A, what is the price of this in Kannada? That lady got offended. It seems in that region, only husband calls wife. Husband calls wife and this other sleeping knows. He knows Kannada. But that regional this etiquette he didn't know. Then he has to make her understand. So what do you think and all that? So this is that. Are, that is only one who is dear. Yajnavalkya says, Are Maitreyi, Avinashi vai Atma. This Atma is who? Avinashi. Indestructible. Iti Shruti. Vishruti Vajasaneni Shruti. Brihadaranyaka Shruti. What does it tell? Vikarishu vinashatsu. When Vikari means Karya Rupa Jagat. Vikari means that which is subject to change, modification. Is Karya effect, Jagat. Vikarishu vinashatsu. When the Vikara Rupa Jagat gets destroyed, he says, Avinashitvam braviti Atmanaha Vinashitva. Atma, indestructible Atma, continues to release. So means Prapancha comes, goes. Upadhi born, Upadhi dies. Atma all the time, one and the same, without change or mutation. Further example is given that after Atma Jnana and the casting of the body, what remains is Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa. Continue.
Pachana Vruksha Tunadhanya Patambaradya Sadha Bhavanti Hindudeva Yata Tathaiva Devendriya Sumana Adi Samasta Drusham Jnanabhidagdhamupayati paratma bhavam Padvaya Yatha Ashana Vruksha Trunadhanya Patambaradyaha Dakathaha Vruk eva hi Bhavanti Tatha eva Dehendriya Asumana Adi Asumana Adi Samasta Drusham Jnanabhidagdham Paratma Bhava Upayati.
Few things are stored when bird gets reduced to mud. Mud means here ashes. Pashana, stones. Vriksha, tree. Truna, grass. Dhanya, grain. Katambara, kata. Kata means mat. Ambara means cloth. There, alternate reading is there. Kadankara, in the place of Katambara, there is also another reading. Kadankara. Kadankara means straw, but taken as husk. Husk, which covers the grain. So that's it, like the husk. So, that is anything which you can take. Adyaha, when what is Dagdhaha, when these are burned, what is it? Ashes. That ashes stored as Brud. See, Brudeva Bhavanti. They become only ashes and ashes only heat when known, prasiddhi. Tathaeva, in the same manner, when it says, these are burned, but how burned? Not with physical fire, with jnana. What are those? Deha, body, indriya, sense organs, organs of action. Asu, asu means prana. Asavaha means prana. Asu, prana. Asavaha, asu, prana, mana, mind, adi. Adi for buddhi, ahankara, etc. Samasta drishyam, all that can be known as drishya. See, two things in the creation. I, this. Anything other than me, I is this. And what is this, etc.? Ahankara onward, I notion onward, any blessed thing in the cosmos is what? Drishya, distinct from I, this, the knower principle. Whatever all that is known as this is, that is what? Drishyam, samasta drishyam, dagdham, bird, But by what? Not by physical fire. Jnanagni dagdham. Jnanagnina dagdham. Burnt by fire of knowledge. What is that? Atma Swarupa. Appreciation of Atma Swarupa. So therefore Jnanagnidham Paratma Bhavam Upayati. It gains the Paramatma Swarupa means what remains is Paramatma. After knowledge, what remains is Paramatma. Because why? To gain Atma Jnana, what is necessary? Akhandakara Vritti. In Akhandakara Vritti, no Drishya at all. If it is Drishya is there, it is not Akhandakara Vritti. What is Akhandakara Vritti? A thought which conforms to Atma Swarupa, which conforms to Brahma Swarupa, which is Nishprapancha, free from that, so that all Visheshas are gone from that, and finally even that Akhandakara Vritti, which is also a product of Karya Rupa Jagat, drops off. What remains is Atma Swarupa. So therefore that is what Jnanagni Dagdham Paratma Bhavam Upayati. So it gains the Paramatma Swarupa. For this again further illustrations are given.
Vilakshanam yathavantam Diyate manutejati Tathaiva sakalam drishyam Brahmani pravidiyate. Anvaya Yatha manutejati Vilakshanam Vantam Diyate Tatha eva sakalam drishyam Brahmani pravidiyate.
Illustration is of sunlight and darkness. When the sun rises, Bhanu Tejas, light of the sun. Bhanu is sun, sunlight. Tejas is the light. Just as Yatha, just as Bhanu Tejasi and Sati. When there is sunlight, see when the dawn breaks, till the dawn what is there? Darkness. When the dawn breaks, sun rises, where is darkness? Just to disappear. Don't think it goes somewhere and waits. Anyway, this sun will go afterwards. By evening it will go, we can again come back. No, it's not. There is nothing called darkness that is remaining there. But that is what you have to say now. Where the darkness has gone, darkness has merged in sunlight. All that you can see is only there. It has disappeared. Where it has gone? In sunlight. So that's it. It's all just there. Bhanu Tejasi, in the sunlight. Dhvantam. Dhvantam means darkness. What type of darkness? It is Vilakshanam. Vilakshanam means totally in contrast, opposed to light. Light and darkness are totally opposed to each other. They can never coexist. Do you remember Chandamama's story, how day and night take place? Once Narada came and told Surya, have you seen damsel darkness? What? What are you talking? I know everything, entire creation. Darkness, I have not seen. You have not seen? See, I will tell you where is that damsel? Right on the other side of the earth. Acha, you went there. to see darkness. So what about? Narada was ready there. Hey, Narada, why did you bluff? What can I say? When you came here, it went to the other side. The other side it went. So, I will go there. So that again not that fear. So sun is hunting for damsel darkness, therefore day and night. This is Chanda Mama story. I think it is still continuing. Many languages that exist Chanda Mama story. So it continues. It is only for that only. Don't tell outside. Don't tell outside. Only confined to that story. Children's story book. With cartoons and all. Pictures. So, opposite. Where there is light, darkness cannot be there. Where there is darkness, there cannot be light as such. So that is it. So when the sun has risen, sunlight is there. Where does the darkness go? It merges in the sunlight. So also, say, Tathaiva, in the same manner, Sakalam Drishyam, entire Drishya Rupa Prapancha, Drishya Prapancha, Brahma say, you have to add there, Jnanodaye, when the Atma Jnana dawns, when Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana is there, say, Brahmani Vidiyate, entire Drishya merges in Brahma when Brahma Sakshatkara takes place. So that is the case. You need not ask after Brahma Jnana, where is the Jagat, where is the body, where is Samsara. Somewhere earlier just now I had seen this Samsara Sagara, where is it gone? They were dramatized. Shishya says, like till now that Samsara Sagara was there, where it has gone? I don't know where it has gone. It was never there. You imagine what can be done. So that is the case. So the Brahmani tradition. Same thing with further illustration of pot and pot space will be explained.
Kate nashte yatha vyoma vyomaiva bhavati puram tathaivopathi vidaye brahmaiva brahmavitsvayam अन्वय यथा घटे नष्टे व्योम एव स्फुटं भवति तथा एव उपाधिविषये ब्रह्मवित् स्वयं ब्रह्म एव भवति.
Illustration is that of Ghatakasha pot space. Just as Ghate Nashte, and one pot was there, it is broken. Now what happens to the pot space? Pot space was earlier pot space, now also it is space. Only that Upadhi of Ghata is gone. Earlier this Upadhi of pot was not there, it came, it was existing, now it is gone. What is earlier space was that, now also space is there. So that it says, Ghate Nashte Vyoma. Which Vyoma? What space? Is what? Vyoma Eva Mahakasha. Total space only. The pot space is nothing but total space only. So Eva Sputam Bhavati becomes very clear. Sputam Bhavati. It becomes very clear. Tatha Eva, in the same manner, Upadhi Vidahi, when Jnani's embodiment is destroyed, means cast off, it says, who Brahmavid, this Brahmajnani, Swayam, oneself, Brahma eva bhavati, becomes Brahma. Earlier he was Brahma, now also Brahma. In between Upadhi came, identification took place, now it is gone. What is Brahma remains as Brahma, Brahmavid Swayam. Again further few more examples are given.
Kshiram Shire Yatha Shiftam Sailam Saile Jalam Jale Sanyuktame Katam Yati Tasatmanyatmavit Munihi. Anvaya Yatha Kshiram Kshire Tailam Taile Jalam Jale Shiftam Sanyuktam Ekatam Yati Tatha Atmavit Munihi. Atmani as Ekatam Yati.
Water poured in water. Oil poured in oil. Milk poured in milk. Shira, milk. Shiram, Shire, Yatha, just as Shiram, milk. Shire, Kshiptam, poured in the milk. What happens? It gets mixed, but what is that with milk only? Tailam, Taile, oil poured into the oil. Jalam, Jale, water poured in water. What does it happen? See, generally, Brahmanas, etc., in olden days, they go to river and offer the arghya. How they offer? They take the water from river only and offer. Actually, it is not that act, that bhavana, that mental mantras, etc., that is what Shraddha, that is what. So, that is the case. So, because why? Both are one and the same. Suppose in the Kshira, if you add Jala, bhesar ho gaya. वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. वो नहीं. Milk in milk, oil in oil, water in water. So that is because both are one and the same. So that is the case. Sanyuktam, when mixed, Ekatam Yati becomes only, milk becomes milk, oil becomes oil, and water becomes water. No change whatsoever. Tatha, in the same manner, Atmavit Munihi, this Muni Jnani who has got the Atma Jnana, Atmani Ekatam Yati. Earlier, Upadhi was there, that is gone. Now, Atma only. Figuratively said, don't imagine. Like the milk poured in the milk, oil poured in the oil. What was that? Atma poured in. Poured in Atma. Don't do that. There is nothing like that pouring there. Both are one and the same. Oneness is recognized. That's all. जरा बोलना पड़ेगा. अभी आत्मा देह में भरा हुआ है, वो कौन लिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, और बाकी सब आता है उसको पोर करने को कौन लिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. Not that both are one and the same. Distinction, erroneous distinction was. And this jnani, one who has become one with the Swarupa Atma Brahma, doesn't take birth again. No rebirth for this jnani.
Evam videha kaivalyam तन्मात्रत्वम् अखण्डितम् ब्रह्मभावं प्रपद्यैषः यतिर्नावर्तते पुनः। अन्वय एषः यतिः तन्मात्रत्वम् अखण्डितम् ब्रह्मभावम् इदेव कैवल्यम् एवं प्रपद्य पुनः न आवर्तते।
एषः यतिः पुनः न आवर्तते. This yati, is jnani, who has cast off the body, doesn't return. Return back to samsara. No more birth at all. Who is this yati? Eshaha yati. It says, Sanmatratvam akhanditam brahma bhavam videha kaivalyam evam prapadya. Evam prapadya, having got this. Having got what? Sanmatram akhanditam. Akhandita. This is non-dual Sat Swarupa. Sat Swarupa, which is what? Brahma Bhava, Brahma Swarupa itself is Videha Kaivalya, not Jivan Mukti, because already body is cast off. Videha Kaivalya. Videha Kaivalya, moksha without the body, not Jivan Mukti. Videha Evam Prapadya, having got in this manner. In this manner means as it was described so far. It says, Punaha na avartate. Doesn't return to samsara. He doesn't return to samsara. Punaha na avartate. Otherwise one may say, it's so much of effort. I got Atma Jnana and then Ire Maja Maharya. Again, good old samsara. What is the use of gaining Atma Jnana? Shruti assured. There is no return. There is no return. Do you know why? I was never a samsari. That was mistake. So that is what Brahma Sakshata, not Paroksha Jnana. That is lip service. You can feed on the computer and get whenever you want. Okay. So that is a different thing. So not that way when Sakshata is there. How he has known, what is that? Rebirth is further explained.
Sadaikatva vijnana Sabha vidya vivarshmanaha Amushya brahma bhutatva Brahmana kuta udbhavaha.
Anvaya as it is. Sada Atmaikatva Vijnana Dagdha Vidyadi Varshmana Amushya Brahma Bhutatva Brahmanaha Kutaha Udbhava. As it is. Says, in the case of this such a jnani, who is it? Sada Atmaika Vijnana Dagdha Vidyadi Varshmana, whose Varshman, Varshman means body, Varshmanaha, so that means whose body or what? The Dagdha, burn. How? Avidyadi Varshmana. Not simply body, any body was cremated, it will get burned. Not that way. Avidyadi, along with avidya, means ignorance is not there, so therefore Atma Jnana is there. Upadhi has already fallen down, cast off. So the one whose body along with the avidya is burned. By which fire? Jnanargya was told, no, that Jnanargya is described as Sadatmaikatva Vijnana, fire of Vijnana. Vijnana is Sakshatkara, Brahma Sakshatkara, Atma Sakshatkara. So what is that? Of Sat Sarupa Atma, Jiva, Brahma, Aika, Sakshatkara. By that Sakshatkara, one with body along with the avidya is destroyed. Amusha of such a person. It is a pronoun, genitive case of pronoun adas. Adas is the substantive. Its genitive case is amusha of such a one is Brahma Bhutatva. He is nothing but what? Brahma Sarupa. So because he is nothing but Brahma Sarupa, he says, when he is Brahma, birth is for who? Can Brahma have birth? No. So that's why Jiva can have birth, but Brahma cannot have birth. And he is now Brahma. Brahma means Brahma Evati. There is no rebirth for that. Means the reasoning behind why he has no birth is here. So Brahmana, being Brahma Sarupa, Utaha Udbhavaha. How can there be rebirth for this person? This question means there is no rebirth. How can there be? Means there is no rebirth for this person. Continue.
Maya Utau Bandha Mokshau Nastattvātmani Vastutaha Yatha Rajyau Nishriyāya Sarvābhāsa Vinirgamau.
Anvaya Nishkriyāyām Rajyau Yatha Sarvābhāsa Vinirgamau Tatha, add there, Tatha Svatmani Bandha Mokshau Maya Kultau Vastutaha na staha Vastutaha na Yatha mixed up. Yes, correct. Nishkriyāyām rajyau yatha sarpābhāsa vinirgamau tatha svatmani, take that svatmani bandha mokshau maya kultau vastutaha na staha. Illustration, famous illustration. A rope is mistaken for a snake. In darkness, the rope is mistaken. After, when the light is brought, that mistaken snake goes. Did snake anytime come? Did snake anytime go? It is only the what? Notion of the ignorant person. Ignorant person thought there is snake, and now he says, no, it is rope. But as for the rope, there is neither coming of the presence of the snake, nor the absence of the. That's what it says. Nishkriyāyām rajyau. Rajyu, here Nishkriya means literally motionless. Here motionless means which has never changed. Rajyu is Rajyu. Rope is rope. It is not it doesn't undergo any change. So in that changeless rope, just सर्पाभास विनिर्गम, appearance of a snake and vinirgama, going, disappearance of a snake are both what? Imaginary, not real. Both are imaginary. So also, in the same manner, he says, Swatmani, in the Atma Swarupa, Bandha Moksha, bondage. Oh, I am bound. Now, I am Mukta. In between, Vijnana, don't imitate. You, I am bound. I am moksha. Come to there. Then you have to take record it and then what? Go on. Repeating every day. In between Sakshatkar, Brahma Sakshatkar, Atma Sakshatkar. That is there. To say, Tadvat, Swatmani, Bandha Moksha. These are what? Maya Krustau, projected by Maya. See, this is the snake. Oh, it is rope. Who did all these things? Ignorance of the rope. And when that ignorance meant, oh, it is the rope, earlier snake. Like that, Maya, Avidya, projected as samsari jiva, and when it has gone, discovered that it is Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. Maya Krustau, projected by Maya, Avidya, Vastutaha Nastaha. In reality, neither bondage is there nor liberation. See, Mana eva manushyana karanam bandha mokshayo. Already true. Mind alone is the cause of bondage. Mind alone is the cause of liberation. Atma is never bound, never liberated. But because wrong notion that I am bound is there, that is why Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana, Sakshatkara is necessary. Because you have a wrong notion. That wrong notion has to go. And that wrong notion will go only when you directly appreciate the Atma Swarupa.
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषा गो ब्राह्मणेभ्य शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय